Yeah, hello? You. Oh, must be sitting on something. Filter done. If you're doing a cabin filter on 2015 Dodge Dart SXT, it's right on the side over here. Let me move my tools out the way. Close everything down. Must be something in the way. Anything in the way over here? No. Alright, let's get over here and get this cabin filter. Alright, the cabin filter on the Dodge Dart SRT is on this side. I guess we're gonna have to move. I know it's on the, oh, it's over here. It's on the side over here. If you're looking, it's right over here. Here you go. It's over here. So, if y'all can bear with me, it's up in that area over there. All right, so we're gonna try to get it here. I guess you're gonna need a screwdriver to pull that out. I don't know how many screws is it. Oh, get your flashlight real quick. I think it's up in here. Right there. Oh, boy. Yeah, it's over here. I don't know if it's 2 screws in there or 1. I don't know. See if we can take this down, aim it over there.
See, right now. That right there for now. That right there. Gotta be in a hole. That ain't it. Let's go ahead. Get that out real quick. Alright, so gotta get that out of here. Which one can we use? Grab that. It's too big. And this. Too big.
You got one air filter in the car. But I didn't do this one though. This is dirty. Whew. Damn. Oh man. You see that? That's the air filter, the cabin filter. And where the other one at? Whew. All right, this is the difference between, this is out of a 2000. You ever changed this before? Huh? All right, this is a 2015 cabin air filter. Right, you see it right here is where I took it out from, right over there. So, I'm gonna put that back in the same way. Comes out of this hole. Comes out of this hole right here. Right there. You can see if you can see it. Right there, that's where it comes out of that hole right here. Right there is where it comes out at. All right, put that back there. All right. Show you how the difference. This is the difference, see that? See how white that is compared to that dark. And you're gonna put that back in the same way you took it out. But this not the original one though, but definitely gonna go in the way I took it out, so. This side is up here, so it's going in like this. So you're just gonna slide this one in the same way. You see? So black, you can't even see it. See that? Now I definitely gotta order the camera for this thing. All right, let's put that back in. Whew. All right, we're gonna try to get that back in there without not too many complications, but y'all get where it goes up in here. This way it goes, just gotta try to move this piece out the way. That's all. Try to get that now. Okay, try to get this down right here real quick. This little button piece. You want to get it. We should leave it. You get it. What I'm trying to do, get it through here. Let's see something. If I can try to get it up in there. This piece goes here. It's got to go up here. All right. I'm trying to get this without breaking it, but see something. I want y'all to see what I'm doing, but y'all get it. Goes up in here. I don't want to break this piece what I'm doing, so I'm trying to figure it out. I gotta get it back up in here, up in that hole. Gotta go up in this hole.
Right there. Big gotcha. It's not like I can just squeeze my big stuff up in here, but okay, I know how we gonna do it. Alright, I should have a good idea how we gonna do this. We wanna stick it in the hole first. Definitely where it's gonna go. So it's supposed to go up in here. Let's see something real quick. Supposed to squeeze up in here. Alright. Sometimes something small and simple can go different ways with it. Alright, I want y'all to see what I'm doing, but I know it's kind of dark up in here, but Oops, that's it. Phone died. Figure out a way how to do it. Alright. Got a halfway in there. There we go. Was able to get that in there. I just gotta figure out. It's in there. It's definitely in there. Pull it back a little bit. So y'all can see what I'm talking about. Simple. Simple, something simple. Give out the phone.
All right, there we go. Put that there for right now. That's where we at with it. Right here is your air cabin filter. Now I replaced it. It's on the passenger side, left side of the wall. So we pretty much take out the old one and put the new one back in. But you gotta watch this cover piece. Slide that back in like that. She might wanna go get the original one later because it ain't gonna, it should last. The other one lasted this long. So hopefully this one will last her too. So she can do what she needs to do with it. As far as anything else, if this goes in here, oh boy. All right. This goes up here, and this goes in here. Okay. Now we gotta figure out. We gotta get that to snap in there. We gotta be snapping at the top somewhere. Yeah, boy, here we go. Put that up in there. Just gotta figure out. Got everything in the way. All right, I see it. Goes in at the top up here. We changed that already, so all we gotta do is get the piece in at the top. That button's in. Like you see, that button's in over there. Then all we gotta do now is find the screw, like so, and put the screw in there. And we done. And that's your cabin air filter. You see how dirty it was? Like I said, it's only 2015 Dodge Dart SXT. So we got that together. So now the car can breathe. As far as, you know, keep the outside smell from getting in. And it's my daughter's car. Just doing daddy duties. That's all. That's all. That's what we doing right now. Making sure she get it right. So. I ain't got a bit for this, but this will work. Next time I have a bit, but hopefully this will get it through until she get it. I'm gonna tell her she got to get the original one, but this will do. This thin, but it's definitely a hole. I'm surprised the dealer didn't change this when they did the oil change in the tune-up. This is part of the tune-up. I'm surprised they didn't do that. All right, so that's your cabin filter. So now what you gotta do now, drink some more of this cold coffee. Shit, what's going on, bro? Oh, God. White Castles. There you go. That's that White Castle coffee. There you go. White Castle, baby. That White Castle coffee. Shit. What else we got? All right, I'll put the cover back on. And that's your cabin filter right there, ladies and gentlemen. Cabin filter is in the car. All we gotta do now is put this back. like in the slots. That's it. You need slots on there. There's only one slot. Put that back in here. Snap that back. Alright. And snap that in the holes. Hold up, you gotta get this over here. There you go. That's it. Cabin filter done. It's the cabin filter, baby. What's going on, fellas? Alright. It's your cabin filter. Like I said, your cabin filter, right side, passenger, right side, passenger side of the wall. It's your cabin filter. We done there. We out here. Hey, if you like more videos like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Let me get back at you. If you want to support the channel, $ JQuil, JQUILATL. Get at you. Salute. Share this video.